Hello and welcome. In this meditation, I would like to take you to a very deep silence. We are going back to what is. First, we take a very deep breath. 3 seconds in through the nose. And 7 seconds out through the mouth. Another 3 seconds in through the nose and 7 out through the mouth. And now I want your full attention. Listen very carefully. I'm going to invite you into a very special room. A space of silence. But there are a few things you should leave outside first. You can't take them inside. Yes? So before you can enter this room, we are going to prepare. Take a deep breath. Breathe out slowly. And you will leave a few things out the door before you come in. The first thing you let out are all your judgments. All judgments. You put everything in front of the door. The next thing you put down is any opinion, any advice, every bit of ego. Let it go and put it outside the door. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now you put down your ability to ask questions. Leave your questions outside the door. Also leave the urge to ask outside the door. Don't be afraid. When you come out later, you can pick them up again. But now, before you go in, put all your questions and the urge to ask questions out the door. In this special room, there are no questions, no worries. We are only going to observe without judgment. And after this, you leave out all your fears, all your worries, and all your stories. Everything you're going through, everything you've been through, put it down. No one needs stories in here. Post all your stories, your fears, your worries, put them outside the door. No one in here cares what you do now, what you have done before, what you will do. Your history, your future, put it outside the door. And now put down all your pains. Old pain, current pain, trauma. Please put it down. Put it out the door now. So when you, in a moment, walk in, it's only you. No judgments, no conversation, no questions, no opinions, no story. Next, you leave all your emotions outside the door. There is no emotion in here. Here within, there is no joy, and there is no sorrow. No emotions are in here. Leave all fear, sorrow, worry, all thoughts, leave it all completely outside the door. Take a deep breath and calm down. Make sure everything is outside. Did you leave everything outside the door? Then take a deep breath and breathe out slowly. And when you're ready, come on into the room. And now that you've been in here for a while, what do you notice now? In this moment, how are you feeling? What are you experiencing now? Rest? Silence? You perceive yourself in this moment. This peace and quiet is a part of you. And when you turn your head off, this peace, this part of you is infinite. And because you have now decided to leave your head outside the door, there is no emotion. No anger, no despair, no sadness, no worries. Now there is only peace and clarity. And you choose to walk in here and leave the rest out. Take a deep breath. Breathe out slowly. Take a deep breath again. Exhale calmly. And now realize you can always find this peace. This peace is always present in you. You now have the key to this room without stress, without fear, without problems, without judgments. Free from all old beliefs, free from all old pain, free from your history, free from everything. You are welcome here as often as you like, when you want it, and as long as you want it. To experience the peace and clarity within yourself. But remember, always leave your head outside the door. Always. You will find many more beautiful things in this room, and if you want to go there, you only have to walk in as often as you like, and you will find it. Take another deep breath. Exhale. When you do this meditation often, you will notice that you get into this state of relaxation more and more easily, so that you can always be, live, and do from relaxation and clarity. Thank you.